Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Idea. Here we make tutorials on topics that might be helpful to you in one way or the other. And today I'm going to be showing you guys on how you can make posts on Reddit from your mobile phone. So as you can see, unlike the traditional website, we can't really just post, there's not really a post option right on the screen. So in order to post, we need to go to, let's go to a community. Let's go to mouse reviews. And once you're in the community, from here, let's join it. Obviously, you have to join. From there, you just want to press on the plus icon. And yeah, once you press on the plus icon, as you can see, we're making a post on this community. Now, if you want to just make a post on your normal profile, it's better if you just press on plus from here, and then basically make he, however. That's gonna be our title, and yeah, then you want to press on next. From here, you want to just select on my profile, and then you just want to just post. That's it, honestly. So yeah. It's a bit more complicated than the PC version, but it is more easier to use once you get used to it. So I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please drop a like, and if you want to see more tutorials like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.